Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Lens Explorer on Snapchat. So after you open Snapchat, you press that icon, and then you you see there are many different lenses. So you just have to swipe left, and then you have to follow what it says. So for example, it says find a face, so make sure that your face is clear, and so that the lens will work. Not all lenses are for faces, so you just have to adjust which one you want to use. Example, I want to use this, so just press on it, and then I can just send it to anyone I want to send, and then just press on that person's name and it's all set. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.